Our 42-foot growing dome is the largest size of greenhouse that we offer and is often used by schools and nonprofits because there's enough room in here to feed a community. This growing dome does have 2 doors standard. It's the only size that has that. And it also features 3 electric intake fans, 3 electric exhaust fans, an electric water feature, an electric undersoil system, as well as 2 pollinator windows. When it comes to options, you can upgrade all of those components to solar if you wish. You can also add additional fans, whether that be solar or electric, as well as additional pollinator windows, and you can add an additional door if you'd like. You can also include a misting system in your kit if you live in a very hot, dry climate. Let's head on inside and see what we've got growing in here. As I mentioned, there's lots of room in here to grow, about 1,300 square feet to be exact, and we have 16 feet 6 inches at our center point. That means that you have not only lots of square footage to work with, but lots of vertical space to work with as well. And people have done all kinds of unique designs when it comes to this size of growing dome, which we're going to show you here. This is our solar-powered fan that comes as the solar upgrade for the 33 and 42-foot growing domes. It can also be added as a standalone fan to those sizes as well. It does come with its own solar panel as well as a thermostat, and it will only operate when the sun is shining, so just keep that in mind if you're thinking about doing the solar upgrades. This is our electric fan. This is a great option for those that live in a really hot climate and need that extra CFM for airflow. It's a good idea to grow things in front of this fan that benefit from extra air movement. So you could do things like squash, like we have here. Cucumbers are another good option. Tomatoes do great. Or you can opt for root crops, as we've done here. I've got some carrots that are just about ready.